Hello friends, welcome to my channel ForceOps DevOps for Salesforce. Today's session is going to be a shorter one. So the agenda for the day is what are chain sets? Are chain sets an ideal solution? What are the problems associated to chain set? And finally, what's the solution to those problems with a short demo. Starting off, what are chain sets? Chain sets are the most native deployment feature that's available in Salesforce org, using which you can deploy your changes from lower to higher orgs, from sandboxes to production orgs maybe, or sandboxes to sandboxes within the same production org model. Is ChangeSet an ideal solution for Salesforce deployment? No, it is not. I know there are many, clients, many customers who are still using ChangeSets by virtue of their practice since the starting. But my recommendation, it's high time to step away from ChangeSets, or you are kind of navigating away from the entire governance model that we always talk about, and you are just kind of participating in getting in bugs into your production. So please please, it's my request, step away from chain sets. So it's not an ideal solution. What are the problems associated to chain sets? Sometimes we need to live by the rules, and as the saying goes. So it's the same case with chain sets. And if you can't do it, you need to live by it. You need to live by it. So that I had a brief conversation with one of the colleagues I used to work with. When we used to work, we were not using chain sets when we used to work together, but kind of we parted ways. And right now, in his project, he's using chain sets, and he's pretty stuck with it. There's a lot of manual work maintaining Excels, what he has built. And after 1 month, honestly, even I would never recall what all I have built to resolve my user stories. And there's a lot of auditing, logging, and what he has built, how he has built, how he needs to deploy, what are the dependencies. There's a lot of rework that needs to be done. So these are the problems associated with chain sets. Solution to this problem, which calls me for the final points in the agenda, is change set helper. It is a Chrome extension which helps you kind of organize your work and kind of not rely entirely on that Excel. I'm pretty sure it's going to help anyone who's using chain sets. Again, I don't advertise chain sets. Instead, if you can do step away from a model to a better one, there are so many better API models that Salesforce offers. Uh, Please step away from chain sets. But in case you are stuck, hope this demo helps you. Let's dive into the demo, into the system.
So now we are on the system. I am just refreshing browser to see we are on the same page. I'm logged in into the one of the orgs, all thanks to Copado. And let's see how does it look. I'm onto the outbound chain sets. So if you see, it's pretty simple, but it's if I go to Apex class, for instance, I have only two Apex classes in this org, but if you have many, there's no way to filter. You just have to manually select the class. So Salesforce change. Okay, let me go to Google. Then Salesforce change set helper. So that's the Chrome extension. I'll be sharing a link with you guys. And add to Chrome, checking, and then add extension. It's done. So let me now refresh my screen just to see if it brings in any changes, or the correct word would be if it brings in any kind of where you go. I need to talk to my internet provider. Yeah. filters. So you have your dev names, modified by date, modified, and the name. So now if I go to the Apex class and I simply you need to type, so say for test, and it does that runtime filtering, and for that modified by you get the options you select, and it's as good as uh, a Salesforce internal feature. So that's how this how good this extension is. So that's all I had in store for you, and hope you like it. uh, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated on whatever is coming up. There's a lot of new things that's going to come up. Again, thank you so much for viewing this. Let's see for next time. Yeah, bye bye. Keep safe.